Hi everyone, Lap here. Today back again with another video about actually email marketing. Uh, I know a lot of people, they kind of mess around with what tool they should get for email marketing. Some people try MailChimp, some people try Aweber, and then of course there's the best option, which I think it is, but it's also super expensive if you're just starting out. Is ClickFunnels with SendGrid, which costs $297 to start, and not including everything else. But it's the easiest to use. Is integrated in ClickFunnels, and everything makes just super easy to do it. Okay. Some people use Builderall. I think it's Mailing Boss. That one is, in my opinion, is probably the worst one I've ever used. No matter what I do, I verify the domain. I get a professional email. I do all that stuff. It just wouldn't work. So I would stay away from that. That's for sure. Okay, and Mailchimp this is GetResponse. I'll get into it in a minute. Mailchimp is free to use, but you cannot put affiliate link in there because the policy says there's no affiliate marketing with MailChimp. Doesn't show here, but from my experience when I used it, I did it for like a week or two, and then MailChimp came in and said that I cannot use MailChimp for affiliate marketing. Literally like direct plugin, like links in there. You can't do that. You have to send them to the landing page, and then from there on you can do affiliate marketing, which we know sometimes it just won't work in your email sequence. So sometimes you just want to send them to the offer, stuff like that. So it's free, but a little bit more work. Okay. Next one is Aweber. I see. This was pretty good. One of the original marketing tool out there. It's $19 a month to start for up to 500 subscribers and unlimited email. I heard some good things about it. Of course, you get all this tools in there, template, everything, which comes pretty standard on majority of autoresponders nowadays. And let's see. So it's not bad, $19 for 500. This is something good to start with. But the one that I want to show you is GetResponse. I, like a subscriber of mine told me about this. He said, he wants to know if I know about it, so that there's an email marketing tool called GetResponse. I was like, nope. And so I did some research to check it out, and decided to do a video about it. Looks pretty good. $15 will get you 1,000 people in your list. Autoresponder. 1 month free trial. Landing page. And tags and workflow. So you don't even need to get ClickFunnels. You can just get this, and you can start affiliate marketing right away. $15 a month. You get your autoresponder, you get your landing page. Given the landing page is pretty clunky compared to ClickFunnels, again, you get what you pay for. So, what I recommend to do is get ClickFunnels and GetResponse together, which is like $115 a month. Still a lot cheaper than having to pay $297 with the autoresponder that comes with ClickFunnels. That you can get later on. Of course, tags, stuff like that. Workflow is something you can do. You can put it in there. Let me see. So automations. You can see automation right here. Start your workflow. Let's see. Build from scratch. I'll just do it real quick to kind of let you know how it looks. Let's see. Got it. Subscribe. So you can do one here, and you can drag an element here. Send message. You just type in, you just do what you want to do. Select a message to send. And then once you build one here, you can select it and you can send it. Okay? And then you can just go from there, and you can you can just connect it to a different thing out here. Obviously, I haven't really messed around with it, but this the idea of it. You can just subscribe any list, any method, and you do a list, send a message, and they can tag it right here, and then you can I think you can divert off to somebody that didn't subscribe, or they didn't open up the message. You can go off a different route, and you can send them a list of emails that for people that didn't opt in, and you just go from there. And as opposed to the people that opt in, you tag them, put a little tag right here. You can tag with this. It's not showing up right now for some reason, but tag them, and you just keep going from there. So it's pretty cool. For 15 bucks, I think that you can do that. That's really good. And you can also build landing pages. Let's go back. Give me a second. Landing pages. Okay, alright, create a page. All templates, so you can have templates you can choose here. I'm not going to go into it, but you can get in there, you can check it out, see what it is. So I think $15 is really good. Of course, the 1 month free is also really good. And as opposed to Aweber is more for just email marketing itself is already $19, and it only gives you 500 subscribers. So in my opinion, GetResponse looks like it's a better bargain of the two, because we already narrowed out MailChimp and ClickFunnels for one for not being able to do affiliate marketing direct linking, which GetResponse you can, and the other one's too expensive. So to start, this is all you need. $15 a month. Can't get any cheaper than that. Okay. So that was pretty much it. I'm gonna leave a link in the description for GetResponse, so you can try it out for the free 30 days. Look at me, I'm still in 4 days left. I'll leave a link in there so you can try it out, see how it is. Of course, I'll also leave a link of ClickFunnels so you can just get both together and start affiliate marketing today with the tools you need. Okay, take care.